I'm a weirdo, I already know that. Hello beautiful people, welcome back. Today I have a little unboxing to do. I'm going to unbox I honestly can't keep up. What month is this box? This is the LookFantastic box. It should be April, right? I don't know. So if you guys want to see what I got in this LookFantastic box, then keep on watching. A little ASMR for you. I know you guys like this. So pretty. On my viewfinder is more like fuchsia pink, but this is like bubble gum. Not really. Barbie pink. Let's open this cutie. What? We have the info card. I don't know what's the deal with LookFantastic, but last month we didn't got, at least I haven't got the info card. Anyway, so this is It's Time to Blossom. So it says, you have a lifetime to blossom, but let's start now. Okay girl, let your dreams blossom. That's super cute. Love me some cute coats. Love that. LookFantastic. We have lashes. I think we got them in December, if I'm not wrong. Or maybe, I don't know, I'm confused, but I think we got them in the past. So, obviously I'm going to start with the lashes. They are from Eylure. They are super natural, like barely there lashes. I hope you guys can see that. Light and wispy, and also it comes with a little lash glue. You have the steps. Very nice. I don't think I used Eylure lashes before, so this is no trim because they are short, so I feel like they will fit every eye size. So this is the number 11 light and wispy lashes. They are super cute, and as I said, for everyday wear they are perfect. Next I see something for my lips. Is this a lip plumper? This is by the brand GLOV. I feel like we get this brand in every single month. This is the exfoliating accessory for soft and kissable lips. This is vegan and cruelty free. So I actually got a makeup remover cloth and I really like it. It's very similar to the face halo one, but is not as thick. Yeah, I love it. So also I feel like we got more stuff from this brand. I can't think of what else they sent us. Anyway, so yeah, this is the lip scrub. It says laboratory tested benefits for your lips. Super smooth lips, bigger and fuller lips. What? Yeah, I want that. Tender and soft feeling after use. Tender? I want my steak to be tender, but also my lips. Oh, this is called Scrubex, right? Yeah, it says right here. I'm sorry. Why did I thought this was an actual lip scrub? This is a little finger cloth to wipe your lips. What? This could be a glove for my cat. I don't know. It feels like this will do some scrubbing, but it's not. I don't know. I honestly thought you get like a lip product made with, I don't know, paper sand. I'm just kidding. Sugar or whatever lip scrubs are made of. But no, you get a little cloth. I don't know if I'm disappointed or surprised. I guess I had expectations from this product. Honestly, it says a lip scrub, right? Scrubex. Exfoliating accessory. I'm sorry, I'm stupid. A tool designed to both exfoliate and treat cracked, chapped lips and encourage blood circulation for a fuller pout. Expect to see results immediately. No way. What do you mean? Like, are you telling me that my lips will look plumped and fuller and bigger after using this little finger glove? I don't know about that, but I will definitely give it a try. Moving on, we have the BeautyPro plant-based range rose-infused sheet mask. I love sheet masks. Yeah, this is the rose chamomile seaweed mask, calming and hydrating. Looks very cute. It says a botanical based face mask formulated to heal and soothe. Part of BeautyPro's plant-based range filled with superfood ingredients that act as an anti-inflammatories to minimize redness, anti-aging, and great for targeting oily, blemished skin. Also fully biodegradable. Why I can't read today? Anyway, or any day. Bulgarian rose, and this is made from bamboo fibers. That's why it's biodegradable. Okay, moving on, we have this. This is the Evercalm from the brand Ren Clean Care. So yeah, I've heard of this brand and I see it on LookFantastic, but I don't think I got anything from this brand in my LookFantastic boxes before, so it's nice to try different brands. This is the Global Protection Day Cream, sensitive skins, cruelty free. That's nice. Ooh, I'm curious to see if this is sealed, because you know how I feel about that. Yeah, it's sealed. I like that brand. A daily moisturizer enriched with a powerful blend of antioxidants and soothing seed oils to calm and nourish your skin. Designed to protect your skin against dehydration and external aggressors to tackle signs of premature aging. I love that. My eye is... What's going on? Sesame seed oil, camellia seed oil, shea butter, orange peel oil, sunflower seed oil. Alright, Ren. So this is a daily face cream and it sounds super good. Oh my god, next we have something from the brand Avant. I got this brand before. I still have the eye cream. I have a little bit left. This is so good. I love this brand. A while ago they also sent a face moisturizer and the price of that cream still haunts me. Like it was 100 euros for a 50 milliliters face cream. It was amazing though, but the price... Anyway, so this is the Pink Orchid Subtle Restoring Overnight Serum. Oh my god, so excited to try this. Let me see if it's sealed. A+. Let's see what this claims to do. It says an overnight facial serum that helps hydrate the skin and combat signs of stress and fatigue. Formulated to support your skin when it's most what? I can't read that. Pink Orchid is an ingredient that improves skin elasticity and plumps out fine lines and wrinkles. Please, work for me. I need that in my life. For a more youthful appearance with regular use. Yes, I'm going to use it daily. I hope you work for me. It says Pink Orchid, Pink Orchid and hyaluronic acid. Oh my, this sounds amazing. Anyway, so the last product we have this month, Be Your Incredible Self with Nails INC London. This is a nail polish? Yeah, this is a nail polish. I don't know, I like how they smell, so let me sniff it. Yeah, I remember the smell. I do my own nails at home and I don't use nail polish. I use polygel, whatever, and they smell different than nail polish. That's why I felt the need to sniff it. I'm a weirdo, I already know that. For this product there were two options. Either you got the nail polish or this BeautyPro makeup. What is this? Highlighter and eyeshadow. I wanted this one. I don't use nail polish. Anyway, yeah, you guys, I'm super curious to see how this works, or if it works for me, if it does something. I love the face mask. The lashes are so beautiful, so cute, so natural for everyday makeup. I mean, I love every single product they sent this month. Not the nail polish, I'm going to send this to my sister or my mom, but other than that, I'm super curious to see if this plumps my lips or if it exfoliates my lips. I'm still happy with that, but it says encourages blood circulation for a fuller pout. You can't claim that if you don't do that, okay? Don't even mention it. So I'm really curious to see if that does something for my lips. I kind of want to get lip fillers. I'm on the fence. I don't know. Should I get lip fillers? Like, I hella overline my lips at the moment. Also, I want to get Botox. I'm getting older, you guys. Okay, I'm getting older. Anyway, so that was the April LookFantastic box. I'm pretty happy with the brands and the products LookFantastic include in their beauty boxes. Obviously some months are better than others, but that's, you know, that's how it is. You can't have it all, you know. And I don't know why, but I feel like at first when I subscribed to them, they used to send more full-size products. Now, I mean, look at this. This month I got 4 full-size products and 2 kinda sample size. I mean, this one has 30 milliliters. I don't really consider this a sample size. This one has only 50 milliliters. So yeah, I feel like that's still a pretty good size. You'll get a few uses. My advice is to subscribe for 12 months. That way you'll save more money, and also you can cancel your subscription anytime your heart desire. Let's say right after you got your first box, you can go on their website and cancel your subscription. You won't be charged for more boxes if you already paid the first box. So that way you'll only pay 15 euros and 50 cents. So that's my tip. I'm not trying to be shady here. I'm just trying to be helpful. I've been subscribed to them for about 1.5 years, and so far so good. I'm happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know down below if you guys are subscribed or if you guys want to subscribe to LookFantastic. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you didn't subscribe so far, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, take care. Plant-based ranged, I can't say that. Range-based ranged, why do I keep fucking say that? What the fuck is wrong with you? Why my ears are so red?